Good evening. Welcome to the Meridian. Checking in?
Yes, hi. I have a reservation. The name is Jordan. Jamie Jordan.
Jamie Jordan. Let me pull that up. One moment. Okay, I have got you here. A standard king room, 2 nights, checking out Sunday morning. Is that right?
That is correct, yes.
So, I do need to mention something. The room you originally booked had a maintenance issue earlier today, a problem with the heating unit. I am really sorry about that. But what I have done is moved you to a room on the fourth floor. It is a superior room, slightly larger, same rate, so there is no extra charge at all.
Oh, well, that actually sounds fine. Does it have a king bed? I specifically requested one when I made the booking.
It does, yes. King bed, city view, and it is on the quieter side of the building, away from the street. So in some ways, it is actually an upgrade.
Okay, that sounds good. I will not complain. Is breakfast included with my rate, or is that separate?
Breakfast is not included in the standard rate, unfortunately. However, we do have a complimentary coffee and pastry station in the lobby every morning from 6 until 10. And our restaurant does a full breakfast, which you can either pay for directly or charge to the room.
I will probably just grab something from the lobby. That is fine. What about the gym? Is that available to guests?
Yes, the gym is complimentary for all guests. It is on the second floor and it is open 24 hours. The pool is also available, though that closes at 10 in the evening.
Good to know. And the mini bar in the room? How does that work?
Everything in the minibar is charged to your room automatically when it is removed from the fridge. You will see it itemized on your bill at checkout. On that note, I do need to take a card for incidentals. It is a hold of $50 that is released in full when you check out, assuming no extras.
Sure, of course. Here's my card.
Thank you. Just give me a moment. Perfect. That has gone through. Here are your 2 key cards. The lifts are just to your right, fourth floor, room 412. The key cards also get you into the gym and the pool.
Great. One thing I wanted to ask, is there any chance of a late checkout on Sunday? My flight is not until quite late in the evening.
I cannot confirm it right now, but if you call down to reception on Sunday morning, we can check what the availability looks like. If the room is free for that night, we can usually extend until 2 p.m. at no extra charge.
That would be really helpful, thank you. Last thing, the do not disturb. Is it a physical sign or is there a switch somewhere?
It is a switch just inside the door on the left-hand side as you walk in. When it is on, a light comes on outside your room and housekeeping will not enter.
Perfect. That is everything I needed. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. My pleasure. I hope you have a really comfortable stay. Do not hesitate to call the front desk if you need anything at all. We are here 24 hours.
Wonderful. Thank you. Good night.
Good night.